Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make these Cheddar Bay Biscuits. This is the box mix kind that you can get from the grocery store, and so I'm going to do a couple of things differently. You want to add your mix to a bowl. It says on the package to add 3/4 cup of water. You could also add milk if you wanted it to be more rich. And then it says a certain amount of cheese. I didn't even pay attention to how much cheese it says to add. I just added almost an entire bag. Some other things that you could add that would give it more flavor. You could add some crispy bacon. You could add green onion. You could substitute cheddar cheese for a different kind of cheese. Like if you wanted to do pepper jack or maybe some smoked Gouda would be good. You could add some garlic powder and some onion powder. Really, anything that you think is going to taste good in this biscuit, it probably will. So once you get everything added, you just want to scoop it out onto your tray. And I'm just using a scoop so that everything is really even. This dough is really wet, so I think using a scooper is really easy. And these are kind of like a drop biscuit rather than like a rolled out kneaded biscuit. So that was really nice and easy. And then it also comes with a seasoning packet that you add some butter to brush on top. And if you really wanted to take this up a notch, you could make your own seasoning and like cook the biscuits in butter, put a stick of butter in the thing and let them cook in the butter, and then brush the top with butter so that there's a ton of butter. These are not good for you, okay, that much butter, but it tastes delicious. These biscuits are really, really good. We had them one night at family dinner, and then we've been begging for them ever since. They're just absolutely delicious, and they're so easy to make. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.